This is sorry. This is Richard with BWE Firearms. And as you can see, I'm not in my shop. It is Wednesday the 9th, March 9th. And as some of you may know, last year about this time, I was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer, metastatic. It had moved into my liver and my lung. The only thing that kept me going and kept me alive was a promise that I made to my wife, Micki. That I would not die before her. And unfortunately, I kept that promise. And she passed away on Monday the 7th at 5 o'clock. She died in front of me. This will devastate my channel and BWE Firearms. Because of the cancer treatments, I now have neuropathy in my hands and feet. And I've lost a lot of the feeling in my hands, which makes it extremely hard to work. So this year has been devastating on the business. And Micki kept it together. She filled orders, and she always has ever since we started BWE Firearms. She does all the office work. She's the one I go to with questions. Things I'm thinking about doing. She kept me in line. She did all the accounting work. Did all the invoicing. Packed most of the orders. So, to my customers, I will fill your orders. I don't know when. To my gunsmithing customers, this is going to put me further behind. And I'm terribly sorry. I will get your work done. I need some time. To deal with losing Micki. I really don't want to go on without her. But I have my kids to think about. So, I have to go on. I'm very proud, and I don't like asking for handouts. But right now, I need help. I need financial help. To keep us going until I can get the business back on track, start making money again. Don't like asking. But I don't have a choice. So if there's anything you can do, $1, $2, anything. I know times are not good for anybody. But if there's anything you can do, I will put a link down in the description for a link to my website, to the shopping cart, where there is a donation item, a $1 donation. You can donate as much as you want. that money will go directly to us. I think I pay the credit card companies 3% or something for processing. So unlike so many of these places that won't give the money over or take half, virtually everything you send will go to help us financially to get through this. Take care of all the arrangements. And again, I'm sorry. I will do the best I can to get back to work, to figure out how Micki did everything. I kind of know, but she did it every day, and I did it every once in a while. So if there's anything you could do, my family and I would greatly appreciate it. So would Micki. Thank you.